Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was a chaotic cloud of dust and gas, a swirling cosmic nebula filled with potential. This swirling mass, called a nebula, was vast and cold, stretching across the void of space, waiting for a catalyst to spark change. Then something incredible happened. A star was born. This event was the beginning of a transformation that would shape our entire solar system. Gravity, the force that holds us to the ground, began to pull the nebula's particles together, creating a dense core at the center. As more and more particles clumped together, the center became incredibly dense and hot, forming what we call a protostar. Eventually, the pressure and heat became so intense that nuclear fusion began. Our sun ignited, shining brightly in the cosmos. The sun's birth had a profound effect on the surrounding nebula, sending shockwaves through the cloud of dust and gas. Leftover dust and gas, remnants of the sun's formation, began to circle the newborn star in a spinning disk, creating a protoplanetary disk. This marked the beginning of our solar system, with Earth's story just starting to unfold, setting the stage for the formation of planets and other celestial bodies. Within the swirling disk of dust and gas, tiny particles collided with each other, creating a chaotic dance of matter in the vastness of space. These collisions, driven by gravity, caused the particles to stick together, forming larger and larger clumps, gradually building the foundation of future celestial bodies. Over millions of years, these clumps grew into planetesimals, the building blocks of planets, setting the stage for the formation of our solar system. In the region where Earth would eventually form, planetesimals continued to collide and merge, driven by the relentless force of gravity. This process, known as accretion, released tremendous heat, melting the young planet's surface into a fiery molten sea, a hellish landscape of liquid rock. As Earth grew larger, its gravitational pull intensified, attracting even more planetesimals, pulling in debris from the surrounding space. These constant bombardments, along with the heat generated by radioactive decay within the planet's core, ensured that early Earth remained a scorching, inhospitable world, a far cry from the blue planet we know today. One of the most dramatic events in Earth's early history was the formation of our moon. Scientists believe that a Mars-sized object, often called Theia, collided with the young Earth in a cataclysmic impact. This collision ejected a tremendous amount of debris into space. The force of the impact also melted a significant portion of Earth's surface, further adding to the chaos. Over time, the debris from this collision coalesced under the force of gravity. This process formed our moon, a celestial companion that has played a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's rotation and influencing the development of life. Section 4. A planet transformed oceans and atmosphere. As the early Earth cooled, its molten surface began to solidify, forming the first crust. Volcanic eruptions released gases from the planet's interior, creating an early atmosphere. However, this atmosphere was very different from the one we breathe today, lacking oxygen and rich in volcanic gases. Water vapor, also released during volcanic eruptions, condensed in the cooler atmosphere, forming clouds and eventually raining down on the cooling surface. Over time, this rain collected in vast depressions, forming the first oceans. These early oceans were likely acidic and hot, but they set the stage for the emergence of life. Section 5. A spark of life on a young planet. The exact details of how life first arose on Earth remain a mystery, but scientists believe that the unique conditions of the early Earth, with its liquid water, energy from the sun, and a rich mix of chemicals, provided the necessary ingredients for life to spark. The early Earth was a dynamic and volatile place, with frequent volcanic eruptions and a constantly changing landscape. These conditions, though harsh, may have created the perfect environment for the first building blocks of life to form. Within these primordial oceans, the first life forms emerged, single-celled organisms, simple in structure but profound in their impact. These tiny organisms were the pioneers of life on Earth, setting the stage for the complex web of life that would follow. Over millions of years, these simple cells began to evolve, adapting to their environment and gradually becoming more complex. These early life forms began the slow, steady process of evolution. eventually giving rise to all the diverse and wondrous forms of life we see today. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, life found a way to thrive in every corner of the planet. The journey of evolution is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Earth's story, from a chaotic cloud of dust and gas to a vibrant planet teeming with life, is a testament to the power of time, chance, and the fundamental laws of the universe. The transformation of Earth over billions of years is a remarkable journey, showcasing the incredible forces at play in the cosmos. Our planet is a precious oasis in the vastness of space, a testament to the remarkable journey that brought us into existence. It is a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life and the extraordinary conditions that make Earth unique in the universe.